Now, let's solve this 5-item math problem na all about speed. So, you can pause this video para sagutan nyo muna bago nyo makita yung pinaka-solution natin. At ito yung mga question. 5 questions. Question number 1. Myra decided to run to her friend's house at a speed of 4 kph and the journey took 45 minutes. How far did Myra run? Ganito lang yan. Maraming paraan para isolve ito. Ito yung speed or rate, 4 kilometers per hour. The journey took 45 minutes. Itong 45 minutes, ilan ba to sa isang oras? This is 3/4 hour. So, 3/4 ng 4 is 3. So, ito na yung sagot. Another solution. Rate. So, ang rate, no need na mag-memorize ng formula nito kasi nandyan lang sa given. Speed of, rate na yan. Yung rate na to, ang kilometer, yan yung distance. Over, per, hour, that is time. Ang hinahanap natin ay distance. So, i-transpose mo lang, that is r times time equals distance. So, yung rate natin is 4 times, yung time natin is 45 minutes. That means 3/4 or 0.75 hour. Kasi hour din yan. Ngayon, 4 times 0.75 and that is 3. Kasi 4 na 0.75. Ang dalawang 0.75 that is 150. Kung dalawang 150, so 3. Answer is 3 kilometers. Number 2. Dina left home and drove at a rate of 40 miles per hour for 1.5 hours. She stopped for lunch and then drove for another 3 hours at 75 miles per hour to reach to SM Seaside, taga Cebu to. How many miles did Dina drive to reach SM Seaside? Ang hinahanap dito ay distance. So, hanapin natin yung distance ng una at yung pangalawa. Paano? Yung rate mismo or yung speed, ang rate. Ano ang formula ng rate? Nandito lang, miles. Ibig sabihin, distance yan. Tapos, per hour. Ibig sabihin, time yan. Ang hanapin natin ay distance ng una. So, i-transpose natin si time para distance na lang ma-isolate dyan. So, rate times time equals distance. So, si distance 1, 40 miles times 1.5 hour. 1.5. And that is 60. Isang 40 at half, and that is 60 miles. Si distance 2, rate times time equals distance 2. Distance 2, ang rate niya ay 75. 75 miles. Times time, 3 hours. Tatlong 75. Kung dalawa, 150 at isa pang 75, and that is 225 miles. So, si 225 plus 60, and that is 285. At ito na yung sagot. Number 3. A man rows downstream 120 kilometers and upstream 72 kilometers. If he takes 6 hours to cover each distance, what is the speed of the boat in still water? So, kung pataas, 120 kilometers in 6 hours, and that is 20 kilometer per hour. At saka yung isa, 72 divided by 6, and that is 12 kilometer per hour. Yung 20 minus 12, at i-divide mo yan ng 2 para sa average niya, and that is, ito, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, 4 ang speed or rate ng river current. Next, kunin muna natin yung ratio ng dalawa. 120 is to 72. I-divide muna natin siya ng 12. That is 10 is to 6. So, ito pwede pa. 5 is to 3. So, ito na yung ratio. 5 up and 3 down. Let B be the speed of boat in still water. So itong si 5 up equals to 3 down. Itong 5, B minus 4, kasi ito nagpapapigil or nagpapahaba ng oras pataas, upstream, kasi dahil sa current ng river, equals to 3B plus 4, kasi tumutulong siya pagpapabilis ng pagdaloy nito. Then that is yung speed niya nagpapabilis. 20, and this is 3B, 3 times 4, and that is 12. So, i-transpose mo to. Para matranspose to sa kabila, bali nag-minus ka ng 3B dyan. So, nandito na si 5B minus 3B. Dito naman, nag-add ka ng 20 para makancel siya. So, nandito siya, nag-add siya ng 20. So, 12 plus 20 equals 2B plus 32. So, ang speed ng boat, 32 divided by 2, and that is 16. So, ang answer dito ay 16 kph ang speed ng boat sa still water. Another solution para makuha itong speed ng boat in still water, ang total na distance i-add up natin, 120 plus 72, and that is 192. 6 hours cover each distance. 6 times 2 kasi upstream and downstream. That is 12. 192 divided by 12, i-divide yung dalawa, ang answer dyan ay 16 kph. Number 4, if a car travels 55 km per hour, what is the distance it travels in 60 minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and the answer is 55. No need to solve. Kilometer per hour, 55 kilometer kada oras. Ang tanong, ilang distansya siya sa 60 minutes? That is 1 hour. So, 55 lang din ang answer. Number 5, a man travels a distance of 120 kilometers at a slow rate of 30 km per hour and returns at 20 km per hour. His average speed for the whole journey is average. That means total distance divided by total time. Now let's solve for total distance. A man travels a distance of 120 kilometers at nag-return yan. So, 120 times 2, that is 240. Ito na yung total distance. Next, yung total time natin. Remember, yung rate. Ito ha, no need to memorize the formula. Rate, kilometers, distance. Per hour, that is time. So, ang hinahanap natin ay time. So, exchange mo lang yan. Ibig sabihin, time equals distance over rate. Ang una, yung distance niya is 120. Ang rate niya, i-divide mo sa 30. At ang lalabas niyan ay yung time. And this is 4. Next, yung return niya, 120 yung distance. I-divide natin ng 20 na rate. So, yan na yung ang answer ay time. So, 120 divided by 20, that is 6. 4 plus 6, that is 10. So, ito na yung total time. 240 divided by 10, and the answer is 24 kph. Ito na yung answer.